Hey, what's up, guys? Alex here again. Here's my satin black IS 350. You're gonna see quite a bit of chemical stains up close. You can see that it's white. I think it's hard water spots, but I've tried different things like vinegar and water, different products, different pH levels, and it does not come off. So everywhere on YouTube, Google search, they say don't polish your matte paint. But this is even though it's matte paint, it's satin black. It's already shiny. So it already has like a gloss to it. So what I'm gonna do is attempt this spot, the trunk, because you can see there's hard white spots. And you can try a citrus remover, a degreaser. I haven't gone that route because I want to polish and give it a try and see what it does. So I'm gonna put the camera down and I'll be back. All right, here it is. There is a difference. Those spots, I cannot see them anymore, which I'm really happy with. As you know, the polish, it is going to make it shiny. Like I said, it's already shiny. Here's the difference. And there's still the hard water spots right there, as you can see. So I'm going to do the other half and see how it turns out. This, pretty much the difference, pretty much looks like when I ceramic coat it with the matte ceramic, and it does restore the way it looks. So it's the same thing with polishing. It looks amazing, actually. So I'm gonna do the whole car, and then after I'm gonna apply my ceramic coat and see how this looks. So everywhere I read, every Google search, every video, don't polish your matte car, your satin car, it's gonna ruin it. Well, it looks really, really good to me. The camera doesn't do justice, but once I finish up, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product and how it turned out. Alright, so if you check this out, it looks absolutely amazing. Gotta wipe it down, but all of those stains, they came off. Those hard water spots, they came off. So I'm gonna give it a wipe down, and I'm gonna finish up on the whole entire vehicle. Yeah, it's completely gone. No hard water spots, no chemicals. Like I said, I've tried everything that was recommended, even some different brands, some different products, and they left the car looking even worse. So here's some of the spots up here. Like chemical guys, horrible. So big difference. Let me finish this up and get back to you. So here's the hood. You can see it absolutely looks horrible. A lot of white spots, hard water spots, chemicals, and different, I guess, minerals, I don't know. But anyways, and I'm sure it's some sun damage as well. But let me show you guys this right here, and then I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me show you the after. All right, here's the finished product of the hood or the roof. So you can tell it's a big difference. There's still that little streak you can see right there. So I probably hit it again, but I am using the blue pad, which means it doesn't cut as much, and I'm also using polish instead of compound. So if you do want to get more aggressive, you can use the pink pad, and you can use compound, but like I said, this is satin paint, so I don't want to cut too much, and this is already a big difference. So I'm pretty satisfied with this, and I'm gonna finish up the rest of the car. But yeah, that's a big difference. So I'm halfway done with the hood. You can see there's a major difference, just like all the other panels, but the hood is probably the worst, and then the roof. And there's a ton of hard water spots on here. Yeah, that's day and night. Completely different. I'm really happy with the turnout, and I'm glad I did it. So I'm going against what everybody's saying. Now I'm going to use a ceramic coating, and usually I use a matte ceramic, but today I'm going to use advanced graphene ceramic coating. Supposed to use it for those who have a clear coat on regular cars. I'm finished with polishing. There is a nice shine to it, definitely restored its color, and the main thing was removing those hard chemical water spots, and I got them off. I'm very satisfied. And then the next thing, I'm gonna apply a ceramic coating, and I'm not gonna use a regular matte ceramic coating. I'm gonna go with a graphene and see what it actually does. All right, here's the coat of a ceramic coating. Now I'm gonna wipe it, circular motions, get it off. So you want to do a panel at a time. A hood is considered 2 panels. So I applied the ceramic coating to the hood. It looks really clean. I love it. And then I just finished up the top of the roof on one side, and you got to wipe it off. Circular motion. And you got to use clean rags or towels or microfiber. If not, it's going to leave a streak, and you don't want that. So what I do, I wipe it down real nice, one side, take all of it off, and you can see like a little haze, so like right there. So what you do is you flip it, fold it, circular motion, and it's clean. So you do that, take your time, don't rush it, do small circular motions, and take your time. At the end, it's going to be worth it. All right, so let me get back to work. All right, here it is. I finished up with the ceramic coating, and it looks really nice, and it took me about 4 hours. I polished the entire vehicle. The main point was to really get off all those hard water spots, all the minerals and whatnot, and I did, and you can see it's completely gone. It's a big difference. So I polished the entire vehicle. It is satin black. If I had a regular paint, I would probably compound it first and then polish. And then I did use the blue pad just so it's not too aggressive. So if you got matte paint, if they tell you you can't polish it, you can't compound it, people are completely wrong. I mean, unless you want that completely flat look, like a completely flat, which I don't find appealing. This is satin black and is definitely beautiful. So ceramic coated, and that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Check out the links below. Follow me on different Instagram social medias. I mean Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and so on, TikTok. But I just got my new Insta360 X4 Air camera, so I'm gonna be doing more content with that. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.